15 Advanced English Words for Daily Speaking. Part 2. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another session of learning English, improving your English and speaking skills. Well, today's lesson is going to be another awesome lesson because today I'm going to tell you about these 15 words that you must know to speak fluent English. So if you know these words, if you know them, your English will become amazing and you will be able to speak fluent English. So let's get started. 1. Apparently. When something seems true based on what you've seen or heard, example. Apparently they forgot about the meeting. This word helps you express a conclusion based on observation or what others have said. 2. Ultimately, in the end, or finally after everything else. Example. Ultimately, the decision is yours. Use this word to emphasize the final result or outcome of a situation. 3rd, literally, exactly as stated, not figuratively. Example, I was literally shaking during my first presentation. Literally adds emphasis, especially when describing strong reactions or situations. 4. Constantly, happening all the time. Example, she is constantly improving her English skills. This word shows ongoing effort or repetition. 5. Relatively, compared to something else, to a certain degree. Example, the exam was relatively easy. It helps soften statements or add perspective. 6th, eventually, at some point later, after time has passed. Example, eventually, he learned how to express himself better. We often use it to show patience and progress. 7. Apparently seems to be true without full proof. Example. Apparently, she already left. This is useful when reporting information you're not completely sure about. 8. Deliberately. Done on purpose or intentionally. Example. He deliberately skipped the meeting. Use it to clarify that someone's action was not by accident. 9. Genuinely, truly, or sincerely. Example, I genuinely care about your progress. This word shows emotional honesty. 10. Consequently, as a result, example, she missed the deadline and consequently lost the opportunity. It helps express cause and effect clearly. 11. Basically, in simple terms, example. Basically, we just need to finish this task by noon. A great word to summarize or simplify your explanation. 12. Extremely, very, used for strong emphasis. Example, he's extremely helpful when it comes to group work. It gives power to your description. 13. Specifically, to point out something exact or detailed. Example, I was specifically talking about yesterday's event. Use it when you want to be clear and precise. 14. Eventually, after a delay or series of events. Example, eventually we all agreed on the plan. It's useful when talking about gradual decisions or actions. 15. Surprisingly, unexpectedly, or in an unusual way. Example, surprisingly, she finished first despite starting late. This word helps show contrast or unexpected outcomes. Conclusion. Your daily word challenge. Now it's your turn. Choose 5 of these new words and make a plan. Use them in real conversations. Write them in a daily journal. Practice speaking them out loud. Fluency is not about knowing thousands of words. It's about knowing the right words and using them naturally. Keep going, just like Emma. Your journey to English fluency is well underway. If you liked this video, share and subscribe to this channel for more advanced words like this. Thank you, and see you in the next video.